Okay, in this occasion, I will show you how to design or to practice make a simple part in SolidWorks. Let's begin. First, we select the front plane, right click and click sketch. We want to draw from front plane like this. Select a line and draw it like this and like this. Okay, we only make half a sketch and we mirror it after setting the dimension. Just we want to sketch until it just a half of sketch and set the dimension, and then we sure this point and this point and we make a vertical control, and then set the dimension for this is half of 60 is 30, so it is 30 millimeter. For the height is 10 millimeter. Yes, the height, the top edge and the bottom edge is 35 millimeter, like this. And this point to the half of 50 is 25, so we just input 25 millimeter like this. And in the top edge here is half of 20 is 10 millimeter. Okay, like this, simple. After we only sketch the half of sketch, we directly to mirror all line. Just click mirror entities, select all line, click select all line in entities to mirror, line 1 to line 5. For mirror both, we select to right plane. Just click OK, and automatically the line is mirror like this. It's a full sketch, defined sketch. We just only to make a thickness in here. In the feature, go to extrude or click extrude boss. For direction, we can change in the mid plane, and the thickness is 40 millimeter, appropriate with this drawing. Just click OK like this. We can edit if you want, ensure we direction we can mid plane, and just click OK like this. And we see in here in the middle of this part any we can do extrude cut in here, so we just do click right plane, just click sketch. In here we select the corner rectangle in and draw it like this, just to make to corner rectangle, and ensure in this middle of the rectangle, just click and the center of this part, make a vertical in here too. Just click and make vertical, so in here to strike vertical or this sketch in middle of this part. Just set the dimension for width of cutting for top is 20 millimeter, so we can to change the 20 millimeter. The height in here is 10 millimeter. Okay, like this. And in here cutting is the width of cutting is 5 millimeter, the width of cutting is 5 millimeter, and the height is 7 millimeter. Okay, after we setting the dimension, we just to remove this line, so we can use the trim entities. Just remove line and click OK. We want to make some cutting, so we go some cut, so we go to features and click extrude cut like this. For direction, ensure we select the through all both like this and just click OK. Okay, and done. Simple and practice. So after we want to make this part, we also can change the appearances. maybe the color, if I want to make yellow like this, and click OK. And for each of cutting face, we can select all the face cutting like this, maybe this, and here we can change to be gray or dark like this, and just click OK. Okay, this is a simple tutorial for practice SolidWorks, especially for beginner. I hope this helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much. Okay, see you in the next tutorial.